What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing the Frontman from Squid Game. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top of the middle, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now on the top left side of each eye, I'm going to draw a smaller circle for highlight. Just bringing that in and then out. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now I'm going to move in towards the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose, starting on the left, curve this down, and then up. Let's move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now in the center, step down and add the mouth. I'm going to curve this up and then down. Then along the bottom, draw a straight line across the lip. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the eyebrows. Starting on the left side, I'm going to curve this up and then out. On the inside, let's just flatten this off with a straight line. Bend this out and then down towards the outside point. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to add those dark circles underneath the eyes. Starting on the left, just going to bend this down and then out. Let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to move out, curve the head coming down. We're going to go across underneath the mouth, round up the chin, and then back up. Now I also want to accentuate the cheekbones with a curve, starting from the outside, coming in, and then down. Let's continue up along the hairline, going up around the eyebrow, and then bending that in. Go up, and then bend that in towards the top. Now I want to bend this back in towards the center point. So I'm going to go up and then down, and go up and then down towards the right. Let's go back to the side of the head and draw in the ears. We're going to start on the left. Going up, round up the ear, and then bend that in, and then we'll line that up on the right side. Let's add a fold across the top of the ear, going up and then out. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Now I want to brush the hair over towards the left side. So I'm going to start from this top corner. I'm just going to bend this up and then out. Let's add some texture. We're going to go up, bend this down, step back. I'm just going to continue to add these folds going over towards the right side. And then here I'm just going to go around and then down toward the top right corner of the hairline. Let's go back over toward the left side, step in, round out the head, and then bend that in on top of the ear. Now on the top right, I'm just going to brush this down, starting up here, going up, and then down. Let's add a point. We're just going to brush this in, step back from that point, round out the head, and then in on top of the ear. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the collar. We're going to start in the center with a straight line going across. Angle is up and out underneath the head. Now I'm going to fill this area in black. Now let's move out to the side and draw on the hood. We're going to come down and then bend that in. Underneath the hood, we want to step down, draw on the side of the body. We're going to go out, bend that down towards the bottom of the coat. Now from the bottom, I'm just going to curve this down and in, leaving a gap in the center. Come down and in from the left and right side. Let's go all the way back up towards the bottom corner of the collar, draw a straight angle line, coming down towards the bottom right, and go over to the left, tuck this up underneath. Now let's draw on the legs. We're going to leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down toward the left heel, move over towards the right, come down towards the same height, and then we want to curve the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. Let's round out the top of the feet. Starting back on the left, we're gonna go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we're just gonna curl that back up towards the inside of the legs. From the bottom corner of the coat, let's step in, just bend the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's go back to the bottom and draw a thick sole. You want to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across from toe to heel, and then on the right from heel to toe. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the arms down the side. Let's start with the one on the left holding the pistol. We're going to start underneath the hood. Just going to bend the arm going down and then out towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to curl the thumb, going around the handle, round out the thumb, and then bend that back out. Along the bottom of the thumb, let's draw a full oval, going all the way around. And we're going to tuck 2 more fingers underneath. So we're going to start right down here, draw another oval going up underneath the thumb, and draw that one more time. Let's go up to the outside of the finger, draw a straight angled line coming out, flatten off the end of the pistol, and it comes straight in on top of the thumb, and then comes straight down. Let's add some detail to the gun. Add a little cap. Now in the center, come down and straight back. Let's add that trigger around the index finger. Just going to trace this around the outside. Now I'm going to go back to the bottom of the thumb, draw the handle coming down, across the bottom, and then up. Now let's go back to the thumb. I'm just going to draw the edge of the sleeve, coming across and then down. Now let's go over towards the right side and draw the inside of the arm. I'm just going to curve this out and then down towards the wrist. Draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, come around that bracket and bend that up. Step down, add the second finger. Now the third finger, I want to bend this up underneath the hood on the right. So we go all the way around the outside and bend that in. And then we'll separate the cuff with a curve. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the Frontman from Squid Game. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.